Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open up two M&M tins. There's the red one and the green one. Let's open up the green one first. So looking at the back, milk chocolate M&Ms. It's quite a cool sturdy tin, and this is the green female. I'm not too sure what her name is, but twist open, and what have we got inside? We have some M&M bite-sized cookies. They look pretty yummy. And what else have we got in here? We have the lady M&M. Let's take her out of the pack. It's a little soft plush kind of toy, and she's got reindeers. And on the plush toy promotions. So that's pretty cute. The little reindeers. She can come and sit in her tin over here with her cookies. And we'll open up the red guy. Same tin. Twist open. And inside this one there's some M&M chocolate, the milk chocolates, and another plush toy we'll open him up to. And he's a little Santa. So you have Santa and his reindeer. That would make a pretty cool gift, especially at Christmas time, seeing as there's Santa and a reindeer. With some yummy chocolates and some yummy cookies. Can't wait to try these. They should be really good. Thanks for watching. Bye.